If you've been driving for more than a decade, you already know that feeling. Your car hesitates, jerks, or shifts rough, and the mechanic hands you a bill that could fund a vacation. But what if I told you there are 8 simple transmission reset tricks that dealers and mechanics quietly hope you never discover? These are not complicated procedures. You do not need to crawl under your car. You do not need expensive tools. Most of these tricks take less than 5 minutes, right in your driveway. The last thing any of us needs is getting taken advantage of at the shop. So stay with me, because what you are about to learn could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. Trick number 1, the battery disconnect reset. This is the grandfather of all transmission resets, and it has been working reliably for over 30 years. Here is how you do it. Turn off your car completely, pop the hood, and disconnect the negative terminal on your battery. Leave it disconnected for a full 15 minutes. While you wait, press the brake pedal a few times to drain any remaining electrical charge from the system. Then reconnect the battery, start your car, and let it idle for 5 minutes before driving. What just happened? Your car's transmission control module, the brain of your gearbox, just got a clean slate. Unnecessary error codes are wiped. Shift patterns are reset to factory settings. This one trick alone fixes sluggish shifting in a surprising number of cases, especially in vehicles that are 10 years or older. Trick number 2, the idle relearn procedure. After any battery reset, your car needs to relearn its idle. Skipping this step is why many people say the battery reset did not work for them, and then they end up at the mechanic anyway. After reconnecting your battery, start your engine and do not touch the gas pedal. Let the car sit and idle for exactly 10 minutes. During this time, the engine control computer is recalibrating fuel trim, idle speed, and it is also communicating with the transmission module to re-establish baseline shift points. After 10 minutes, turn the car off for 2 full minutes, then restart and take a slow, gentle test drive. Stay under 40 miles per hour for the first 5 miles. No hard acceleration, no sudden braking. You are giving the transmission time to relearn your driving patterns. This gentle break-in period makes a noticeable difference in how smoothly your car shifts afterward. Trick number 3, the throttle position reset. This one surprises people every single time. Your transmission does not work alone. It is constantly talking to your throttle position sensor to decide when to shift gears. When that communication gets out of sync, you get hard shifts, late shifts, or that maddening hesitation when you press the gas. Here is the reset. With the car off and key out, press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and hold it down for 30 seconds. Release it slowly, then insert your key and turn to the on position, but do not start the engine. Press the gas pedal to the floor one more time and hold for another 15 seconds. Now start the car normally. This procedure forces the throttle position sensor to recalibrate its full range of motion, and the transmission module picks up the corrected signal immediately. Many drivers over 50 report their car feels 10 years younger after this simple 2-minute reset. Trick number 4, the transmission fluid warm-up cycle. Here is one that mechanics charge diagnostic fees to identify, yet the fix is completely free. Cold transmission fluid is thick and sluggish, and if your car has been sitting overnight or in cold weather, your transmission is essentially running half-blind for the first few miles. The trick is to warm it up the right way before driving. Start your car and let it idle for 3 to 5 minutes. Then shift through every gear manually while staying parked. Move from park to reverse, hold for 15 seconds. Shift to neutral for 15 seconds. Then drive for 15 seconds. Then manually shift through each gear if your vehicle has that option. This cycle circulates warm fluid through every channel of the transmission before you ever pull out of the driveway. Done consistently each morning in cold weather, this one habit alone can add years to your transmission's life. Trick number 5, the adaptive shift reset. Modern transmissions after the year 2000 are adaptive. That means they learn your driving habits and adjust shift points accordingly. The problem? Over time, they can learn bad habits, especially if a previous owner drove aggressively or if the car has spent years in stop-and-go city traffic. Here is how you reset the adaptive memory. After your battery disconnect reset from Trick 1, take your car on a very specific test drive. Find a quiet road or empty parking lot. Accelerate gently from a stop to 30 miles per hour, then let the car coast down naturally. Repeat this 5 times, then accelerate to 45 miles per hour, coast down again 5 times. Finally, do one smooth acceleration up to highway speed if possible. This structured drive teaches the transmission fresh, clean shift behavior. Mechanics call this a relearn drive cycle, and some shops charge $50 to $100 just to perform it. Trick number 6, the solenoid reset, using scan tool mode. Now, this one does require a small investment, but it is a one-time purchase that pays for itself on the very first use. A basic OBD2 scanner costs between $20 and $50 at any auto parts store, and it lets you do something mechanics do not advertise. Plug the scanner into the port under your dashboard, typically located just below and to the left of the steering wheel. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Navigate to Transmission in the menu and look for a Clear Codes option. Select it. This clears stored fault codes in the transmission solenoid circuit. Many vehicles will continue shifting badly simply because an old error code is still sitting in memory, telling the system something is wrong. Clearing it takes 30 seconds and costs nothing after that initial scanner purchase. Trick number 7, the manual downshift recalibration trick. This trick works beautifully on vehicles with a manual shift mode. Here is what to do. On a safe, empty road at about 35 miles per hour, switch into manual mode. Slowly downshift 1 gear at a time, pausing for about 10 seconds in each gear, all the way down to first gear. Then upshift back through each gear just as slowly. Do this complete cycle 3 times. What you are doing is forcing the transmission to physically engage each gear and its corresponding clutch pack under controlled conditions, essentially exercising parts of the transmission that may have gone stiff or sticky from sitting in the same shift pattern for months. For people who do mostly highway driving, lower gears can become almost forgotten by the transmission control module. This wakes them back up. Trick number 8, the transmission control module reset. This final trick is the most targeted reset of all and the least known. Your transmission control module, or TCM, has its own fuse. When you pull that specific fuse and reinsert it, you perform a hard reset on the transmission brain alone, without disturbing any other systems in the vehicle. Open your fuse box, usually located under the hood or beneath the driver's side dashboard. Consult your owner's manual or the fuse box diagram on the inside of the cover to identify the TCM fuse. Pull it out, wait a full 60 seconds, and firmly reinsert it. Start the car and let it idle for 5 minutes before driving. This targeted reset is especially effective when you have shift quality issues that persist even after a full battery disconnect. It tells the transmission module specifically to restart fresh. Mechanics know this trick well. Now, so do you. And there you have it. 8 transmission reset tricks that mechanics would much rather you did not know about. None of these require a lift, a pit, or a hefty labor charge. All you need is a little patience, a free afternoon, and the confidence to take your car's health into your own hands. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It truly helps this channel reach more people just like you who deserve to know this information. Subscribe so you do not miss the next video.